Hello, this part of the video is the introduction to software of the Arduino project, and as you can see there are many defines here and here. With this defines we have written the code more easily, and there are many integer and float values in here. With these values we keep the values that coming from the sensors, and in void setup in here we determine the or serial communication channel and which is input or output, and in void setup void loop and here uh, with data we have conserved the incoming data into percentages because we sent values to the phone via Bluetooth on our Arduino, and we wanted to send these values, and these values nem sensör or sıcaklık veri, LDR veri, to send as a percent. We want to send them as a percent to Bluetooth via to a telephone. Here in this if condition, if the incoming value of the humidity sensor is less than 6000, that means the soil is dry, and it starts to water engine. The control value here and here is the turn on or light if the soil is dry, even though we are watering. We have an RGB light on the Arduino while this light is blue. If the value from the humidity sensor is moist, it is green, and if the soil is not moist, even though I throw water into the soil, it turns red. In this if we introduce the control there, like how it's work, and in this if condition, the control value is in this if condition, if the data is less than 6000, it's just turn the light to green, and that means the plant is not dry and there are no need to watering, so we turn off the engine if it's working. And in this if condition, if control value is more than 3, that means that if condition works 3 times or more, and our plant is watering, but its water is not reached the plant, and it's turn the light red, and the red light means the error, and it's just work like that. Thank you for listening to me.
This is a working demo for our project. If you check the RGB light, it's lighting blue, and if you check the level of the humidity on the smartphone, there is an 38%. It means this is dry, and Arduino is sending to data and started to working amphibious pump. Water is supplying to our pot. The amphibious pot working 3 times and check that data again. If the humidity level getting over the 50%, like that, this means this is wet and everything returning to green, and it stopped working. This is error situation for the our project, it means something is going wrong. If the enough water from our cap, uh, also while this thing working, the moist the humidity sensor is not getting bigger every working time, it means something is going wrong. This red light means that.